What's up, it's your boy Damian Dupe, your number one off-market land specialist. Hyper focus on them info lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel, where I'm your host, Damian Dupe, and this channel is all about flipping vacant land, assigning vacant land. I mean, everything vacant land with a hyper focus on infill lots. So if that's something you're interested in, you are now in the right place. If you would consider subscribing to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. Please like, comment, and share, and I will thank you in advance. Salute. All right, today we're going to be talking about something super, super exciting. And I usually don't do these type of videos, but I just want to show the people the power of assigning, finding, flipping vacant land. And my biggest deal to date was in 2021. It's 2023 now. It was 2 years ago. I have done some deals closer to this, like in the 50s. But I haven't done one this big. Woo. So again, you're looking at the lot on my screen. This lot right here. It was bought to me by a wholesaler, and basically I bought the lot cash. Okay, I took it down. I bought the wholesaler out because I seen it was juice in it. I just didn't know how much juice. And just for social proof, because I know a lot of people be capping. This is my entity, as you can see, buyer. All right, and what I want to show you is basically assignment fee. So the wholesaler made $14,699.50, so almost 15 racks. Okay, almost 15 racks. Okay, as you can see, I was all in 36,266.88. All right, let's go to the second HUD just for social proof. As you can see, I'm the seller. I netted, this is right here, cash to seller, $122,400. And basically, I just want to show you, let's just do some math here. 122,400 minus 36,266. All right. All right. So I just did some little math for you, and hopefully you can see my camera. But that's 86,000 that I made off of one lot, and super, super grateful. And I just thank God for, the person who bought me the lot. They bought me the opportunity, and that person knew that the lot was worth way more money. And it was a God thing. I'll be honest, it was a God thing, because I told that person, like, man, like, what I'm saying, we could just split it. He like, nah, just, what I mean, just give me this, what I'm saying, and you good. Like, that's what he told me. So I was like, thank you, Lord. You know what I mean? So I bought it, and then I flipped it within like 30 days. 30 days, I was able to flip it. And that's the power, people, of flipping vacant land. 86, let me make sure I got that number right, because I don't want to exaggerate here. $86,134 on one deal. Let me ask you a question. This is what could you do with $86,000? I'm just saying. I mean, what could you do with 86 bands? Could 86 bands change your life? Yeah, I think so. And that's why I'm passionate about the land game. That's why I love educating people about the land game. That's why I love blessing you with this epic, wild content about the land game, because I know the power of it, the power to change your life. Now, I must admit, I'm, I must admit that I do know that, God showed me favor, and he shows me favor on these land deals. And if you don't know God, you can get to know God, and he can favor you too. I mean, he's not a respecter person. I'm nobody special. A little bit about me, I grew up in and out the penal system from the age of 12 to 24. 24, I did 5 years in a medium security prison. And before I did that 5 years, I encountered Jesus, and my life has never been the same. And I'm just here to testify the goodness of God, the favor of God, and that how he still continues to bless me to this day. I mean, still to this day, he shows me favor with people. And hear me out, people. I know a lot of people define success in a lot of different ways, but the ultimate success is the Lord being with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't get no successful than that. Money is not success. Money is okay. Like, money is okay. But peace and joy is invaluable. You can't pay for it. That's why I value my peace. And that's why, in this community, I had to set some expectations, but again, I'm here for the people. And again, I got some good news you can use. If you're interested, I cannot guarantee you that you're going to do an $86,000 deal. I can believe with you, I can touch and agree with you. But if you're interested in doing deals like that, consider buying my course. Please do. Consider buying my course, okay? It's line upon line, a precept upon precept. You can get in contact with me, okay, via email. If you do need consulting, that is an additional fee. But let's just say, you don't have money for the course. No worries. Binge watch YouTube University. I have a ton of content, a ton of videos that can help you navigate the land game. Yes, you got to piece it together, but I know plenty of people who was able to do deals just off of free content. And also, if you know yourself, a lot of people, they don't know themselves. But if you know yourself and you know that you need coaching and hand holding, I'm going to have an opportunity for, selected people to be able to hunt with me and to be able to do deals with me. And basically what that means is, basically we'll get on a Zoom call and we're going to basically go out the properties together. And basically I'll probably hunt for about 40 minutes. And, I'll take maybe 20 minutes where I open it up for questions and you can ask anything you want. Okay. It won't be free. Okay. But it won't be, super expensive. So, I want to be involved in you people's lives. Like, I feel like it's a calling of mine to serve you guys. I really do feel, but I feel like I'm not a good fit for everybody. And that's okay. Everybody ain't gonna be able to rock. Everybody ain't gonna be able to receive what I'm saying. If you got eyes to hear, eyes to see and ears to hear, receive what I'm saying. You feel me? Like, what I'm saying? If it's for you, you'll know. You'll know in your heart. You'll know in your heart. And the reason why I know that, because there's people who, testify time and time again that they was compelled to sow into me by buying my course, by investing in consultation. So, if that's you, I welcome you. I welcome you. I will be a good steward over that relationship, because stewardship is everything to me. I'm a real person, people. I go through trials and tribulations, ups and downs. I don't want y'all to think I'm just this, guru, make us $80, sell a land. And I know I say that a lot, but I heard that on the ad and I thought that was so funny. But yeah, people, I'm a real person. You know what I'm saying? I'm a real person. I'm a married man. I have a beautiful 1-year-old daughter. And I'm just trusting God one day at a time, people. I want you to hear that from my heart. And if anybody feel led to tap into me, listen. If you feel the knock on your heart, holler at your boy. I'm here for you. You know what I'm saying? Again, coming soon. I will be able to drop some links where you can see what works for you, what floats for your boat, what works for your budget. I know different people, they don't have the money to invest in a course, but you may have the money to hunt with me, or you may have the money to hunt with me and get mentored by me, So it's totally up to you. And I'll be completely honest, ladies and gentlemen. And, a lot of people, have what we call unrealistic expectations. And I just want to set the standard that it does take work. It does take dedication. It does take time. Yes, you can hit one off the park in your first 30 days. But again, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a get rich quick scheme, people. It takes work to do these type of land deals. And, if you're not really willing to put in the work, then I don't know what to tell you. Ain't no course gonna help you. You can watch a million YouTube videos till you're blue in the face. It ain't gonna help you. If you're lazy and you procrastinate and you got analysis paralysis, you just then pray for that. Pray, ask God. You know what I mean? Ask God, God, help me to not procrastinate. Help me not to have analysis paralysis. Help me to take action. That's the biggest thing. So I don't want to, I show you this, in humility, that like God favored me, that somebody bought me this deal. Like I didn't even find it. Somebody else got it for like super low. And they made a couple dollars and I made a couple dollars. So again, I'm here to tell you, that it's deals out here, people. There's deals out here to be had. There's a ton of deals out here to be had. And, if you stay the course, you'll reap a harvest. You know what I'm saying? But you got to plant and you got to water. You know what I'm saying? You got to plant and you got to water. You got to plant and you got to water. And then you'll reap a harvest. You know what I'm saying? In due season. So again, I hope that was able to encourage some people to let you know the power of land flipping, land assigning, land finding land deals. How one land deal, can literally, like, maybe if you make $40,000 a year, that like pay your salary for like 2 years. Picture that. Picture that. Wow, what a beautiful thing. What a beautiful thing, And like, it's out here. It's so much dirt out here, people, especially infield lots, especially in the Carolinas. And don't ever tell yourself that it's saturated and there's too many people doing it. And no, believe that you have favor and believe what's for you is for you. You hear me? You know what I mean? Can't nobody block your blessing. I don't care who they is. I don't care how much money they got. They can't block your blessing. You're going to get it right on time. If it's meant for you, you're going to get it. And that deal was meant for me. That's why I got it. And I I was so happy when I got it. When that money hit my account, I said, glory to God. You know what I'm saying? It was just beautiful. So again, people, I thank y'all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, please subscribe. Like, comment, share, the whole nine. Very grateful for this community. I know I say this a lot. I know I say this, a lot of times, but it's no cap over here. You know what I mean? I know I wear a lot of caps. I just started going bald. I wear a bald head now. You know what I mean? But like, hey, it's no cap, no lies. This is all truth, man. I'm here to serve the people. But if you don't pay, you won't pay attention. My mentor told me that years ago. He said, you got to stop giving everything away for free, man. People not going to value it. And I said, nah, man, it's better to give the receipt. But it's so true. People do not pay attention if they don't invest in themselves. They don't. Or they don't take it seriously. They just go on to the next free thing. And if that's you, I just pray that you get wisdom and knowing that, hey, it's cool if you get stuff for free, but, the chances are you being able to do something with that is like slim to none. You know what I mean? Like it's free, but a lot of people have a lot of hidden agendas with the free game. You know what I'm saying? Like it ain't from the heart posture. It ain't, you know what I mean? It's just, they trying to do that to get you to sign up for this, to get you to sign up for that, get you to sign up for this. And you may say, ain't you doing the same thing? Not really. Because I want to see you set free, whether that's in your debt, in your mind, whatever. Listen, I want freedom for the people. That's what I'm about. I'm about freedom, and it has nothing to do with money. But I know, as a human being, that I have to value myself. And if I'm an expert and I have, countless transactions where, I've done deals, in order for you to partner with me, you got to pay, in regards to education and stuff like that, or just get the free stuff on YouTube. And there's nothing wrong with that, people. There's really nothing wrong with that. So I'm gone like the wind. Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much.